All right, so yesterday we started talking about things like dishonored checks, electronic funds transferred, and electronic funds transfers, and debit card transactions, and accounting for each of them. Making sure we're journalizing those transactions. I think I did a section reading and a screencastify on them. Yesterday, we kind of scratched the surface and showed how to journalize them, and we're going to journalize them again today. I would like you each to follow along and do the exercise and submit it when you're done for points. So we're going to attack that now. Here we go. First of all is the problem itself. I'm going to the problem out here. Now, when it comes to JPEG images, I just am not very good. Try that again. Maybe we can do it a little differently here. Resize. Oh, that won't work good. We'll do it this way, and I'm also going to open up the on your own. Hopefully you have this portion open as well. Yeah, this might work out good. John Staples, you out there? Can you see both the Excel spreadsheet and the on your own 5-3 question? Okay, thank you. Desiree Sheets, you out there? Are you able to follow along? You're able to see both items, right? Thank you. Andrew Stern, are you out there? Andrew Stern, come in. You're not, playing a video game with Ivan Baez or anything, right? You're tired. Andrew Stern, it's 20 after 11. Oh, so you were up to like 4 o'clock in the morning playing video games, right? That's not, young man, that's not a healthy lifestyle. Ivan Baez, are you out there? Ivan Baez, come in. Sean Levan, are you out there? Sean Levan, come in. Okay, all right. Ivan Baez and Sean Levan, do you guys both have your Excel spreadsheets and your 5-3 open? Okay, all right. Okay, here we go. Recording dishonored checks, electronic funds transfers, and debit card purchases. Write the answers to this problem in the working papers and work this problem independently. Number 1, Enter the following transactions on page 12 of a journal. Okay, page 12. So this says page 1. First things first, change it to 12, please. Second, my date. Ivan Baez, I'm going to go with June 12th. You okay with that? Okay. Ivan Baez, can you read the June 12th transaction? I know it's a little small, but memorandum. Excellent. Okay. So my account title, okay, do you think it's going to be accounts payable or accounts receivable, Thomas Hofsky? Thomas he Thomas Hofsky. Accounts receivable, Thomas Hofsky. Ivan Baez, is there a source document? Ivan Baez, you still with me? M54 from Memorandum 54 is correct. Now, I'm since okay, since Hofsky went ahead and bounced this check, Ivan, we've got to reapply the accounts receivable. So I'm going to debit uh, accounts receivable Thomas Hofsky for 65 plus 30, which is $95. Are you all right with that, Ivan? Okay. And I thought, or we thought we were going to have his money in there in our account, but we don't because he bounced the check. So now our cash goes down 65 plus 30. We credit cash for 95. Okay. Does that work for you, Ivan Baez? Okay. Do you have it written down? Okay. Mr. Kramer, are you there? Can you read the June 13th transaction, please? Excellent. Okay. So I'm going to go in here with June 13th. Are you all right with that? Okay. What do you think my account title is going to be? Okay. Accounts payable, Alfonso Company is correct. Do I have a document number? Correct. Now I know that I'm paying cash, so my cash is going to go down. What's going to happen to accounts payable? Am I going to debit or credit? Debited for how much? 243 is correct. I'm going to get rid of these here. Oh, all right. And I'm debiting AP and I'm crediting what? Cash for 243. Okay. Very good, Mr. Kramer. Chase Jennings, are you out there? Jace Jennings, how you doing? Good, good. All right, Jace, could you read the June 14th transaction for me, please? Okay, so we're going to journalize that transaction. I'm going to go with June 14th. Are you good with that? Okay. Question for you, Jace. What's my account title going to be? Supplies is correct. Is there a document number? M56 is the correct answer. Very good. Now I'm buying supplies, Jace, so I'm gaining supplies. Do I debit or credit? Debit for $65. And I'm using my debit card, but it's same deal as cash. So do I debit or credit cash? Excellent. So, Jace Jennings, question for you. Do you have a pretty good handle on journalizing dishonored checks and electronic funds transfers and debit card transactions? Okay. Do you think you have a pretty good handle on reconciling your bank account or bank reconciliations? Okay. We probably need another example or two there, right? Okay. And then um, how about blank endorsements, special endorsements, and restrictive endorsements? Do you think you were okay with that unit? Okay. We'll do another example of those as well. All right. Let me just check around here and take my attendance one more time. I'll get you guys out of here early today. I have Aaliyah Donato, Alec Old, Andrew Stern, Charles, David, Desiree, Dylan Ors, Edgardo Cruz, Ivan Baez, Jace Jennings, Jennifer Doe, Joe Michael Rivera, Keon Staples, Miriam Ali, Sarah Webb, Sean Levan, Trayton Winter. Sarah Webb, are you out there? Sarah Webb, are you okay with journalizing dishonored checks and electronic funds transfers and debit card transactions? Okay. Keon Staples, are you there? So, journalizing dishonored honored checks, you're fine with that? How about reconciling a bank statement? Were you okay with those? And blank endorsements, special endorsements, and restrictive endorsements. You think you were all right there? Okay. Any questions? Mariam Ali, are you out there? Mariam Ali, are you at your desk at home or are you behind the cash register at Giant? Okay. Mariam, do you think you have a pretty decent idea of how to journalize dishonored checks? Okay. On the bank reconciliations, still confused a little bit. Okay. Well, there, Mariam, there'll be two more examples that we'll do. We'll do the mastery and we'll do the extra problem. So just make sure that you follow along with those examples and that instruction. And if you have issues or problems, ask questions on those. Okay. All right. Jennifer Doe, are you out there? Jennifer, are you there? Is everything good? Any questions? Okay, thank you. Edgardo Cruz, are you there? Everything good? Any questions? You think you have a pretty good feel? Journalizing dishonored checks and bank reconciliations and blank, restrictive, and special and endorsements. Okay, good. Thank you. Andrew Stern. Is my class mad boring? Andrew Stern, I have a feeling you're not living a very healthy lifestyle, son. You've got to get more rest. But it's 11:30 and you're tired. You shouldn't be tired at 11:30. You should be cranked up, ready to go, man. Come on, bro. Well, it's a Friday, so you don't have to go. Look, it's a Friday. You don't have to go to bed early on a Friday. But if it's a school night, you need to be in bed. You feel me? All right. Creighton Winter, are you there? Any problems, any issues, anything I need to go over? Were you able to do today's exercise? Okay, just make sure you submit it then. All right, guys. I know I bored you to death. We're through 3 units here in this chapter on cash control systems, and we'll be headed into a unit on petty cash next week on Tuesday. And then we'll probably get into both the mastery problem, maybe the challenge problem. I'll do a review, but you could see an exam sometime the latter portion of next week. So just kind of make sure you have everything together. And if you need things, ask questions. All right. Good having you. I'll see you.